So what do you think? Does this make you want to have chickens?
Oh yeah, I've been wanting them for a while. I've been thinking about quail.
Well, I don't got any experience with quails, but I've been raising chickens for a while. I call my place the Non-Profit Chicken Ranch. Our motto is proudly not making a profit since 2006. Okay.
Okay, and you hold the process.
So you're okay if we do it like that? Okay. All right, look at you.
Oh, she's so pretty. Pineapple.
Okay.
Oh, she's so pretty. She's a beautiful color. Oh my.
That's a good one.
Very good.
What you think there, Lily?
Wow, she's a talker, huh?
Oh yeah, she'll talk. Yeah, I understand why you want to hold her, because she's very calm and she likes to be held.
Oh, cuddle chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Do you love this chicken?
Oh, it's so sweet. It's so soft.
So have you ever held a chicken before?
No, I've never held a chicken.
Are you finding it an endearing experience?
Yes. Oh, I need a little chicken at the house.
Well, you have to. She is a Wiccan chicken.
A Wiccan chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
She's cast a spell on you. And what it is that,
That's what you were saying.
yeah. She, people who hold her are overtaken with a great desire to want to take her home.
Smile.
Now, all right, just tell us what you think of cuddling that chicken.
It is the softest, most precious thing.
Oh, yeah?
It's soft.
Well, that's Tilda Jane. She's very accommodating. She likes to be held.
Does she like to be pet? She does. Oh my goodness, her feathers are, they're like silk.
Yeah. Well, it looks like she has a rather fondness for you.
I have been told I am very good with birds.
Well, I think the proof is in the pudding.
I think so too.
All right, Andrew, why don't you tell us what you think about that little girl you're holding there?
She's pretty cute, and it feels really soft, and it's really comfy.
And you've never held one before?
I've never held one before.
Oh, okay. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Back and all the brave souls that participate.
Yeah, this is awesome.
So this is Travis and Kate.
Hi.
Alright,
Yeah. So what do y'all think? Now Travis, you had chickens,
I
right?
did have chickens, yeah.
Okay.
But this is a cute chicken, I would say.
Yep. Well, she's a mixed breed. I tell
Yeah.
people she's a Kubi. I play it as a very exotic breed, I say. And then when they get all hooked on it, I say, yes, you could be this, could be that. Now, Kate, Miss Butternut there's a Dominican.
Miss Butternut. She's so pretty and she's so soft.
Oh, yeah. So is this your first time, Kate, to hold a chicken?
It is. It is. And I love her. I'm obsessed.
Travis is going to have to go get some chickens.
Yeah, it looks like it's about time to get chickens, absolutely.
Ah.
Thank you for letting us hold.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
thank
fine.
you so much.